Hello, good morning students. Myself Veena, Assistant Professor, Government Science College, Bangalore. Let us solve some more examples on permutation. Okay, that is a continuation part of the last class. Let us take first example. How many 3-digit numbers can be formed by using the digit 1 to 9 if no digit is repeated. Okay. Now, so here required number of 3-digit number is equal to how many 3-digit number can be found by using the digits 1 to 9. So total number of digits is 9. So required number of 3-digit number is equal to, you are using the digits at a time 3. Therefore required number of 3-digit numbers is equals to n, where n is 9p3, that is equal to 9 factorial divided by 9 minus 3 factorial, that is equal to 9 factorial divided by 6 factorial. So that is equal to 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial divided by 6 factorial. So 9 into 8, 7 is 504. Okay, this is the answer. Next one. How many words with or without meaning can be formed using all the letters of the word equation, using each letter exactly once. Here we are using equation using each letter exactly once. So all 8-digit letters of the equation are here, totally 8 digits, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 digits in the word equation. So how many words with or without meaning can be formed using all the letters we have to use? That means total letters is equal to total letters 8. We have to use all 8 letters. Using letters 8. Therefore arrangement is 8p8, that is equal to 8 factorial. We know npn is equal to n factorial, 8 different ways. That is 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is equal to 40320 ways. Okay. Next. Next question. How many words with or without meaning can be made from the letters of the word Monday, assuming that no letter is repeated. If 4 letters are used at a time. Okay, see here we are using the word Monday. Total number of letters in Monday is 6. 4 letters are used at a time, so repetition is not possible. Okay, this is same as number of permutations of 6 objects taken 4 at a time. This means here total 6 objects are there, you have to take 4 at a time, that is 6p4, that is equal to 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 4 factorial, that is equal to 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 6, 5, 4, 3, that is equal to 360 ways. Okay, this is first one. Next, all letters are used at a time. All letters are used at a time. Now, this is same as number of permutation of 6 objects taken all at a time, that is 6p6. 6p6. Because all 6 letters are there, we have taken all at a time, that is 6 factorial divided by 0 factorial, that is 6 factorial, that is equal to 720 ways. Next one, all letters are used at a time. All letters are used at a time. So, all letters are used at a time. Okay. Now, this is same as number of permutation. Here, all letters are used at a time is over, right? Next one is third one. All letters are used, but first letter is a vowel. How many vowels are there here? The first letter in each permutation to be either. So, what is here? Monday. The given problem is Monday. How many vowels are there? O and A. So, first letter must be either O or A. So, this is a 2 choices. First letter choice is 2. Okay. Next, after selecting the first letter selecting is 2. Selecting is 2 choice. Okay. Next, remaining 5 letters, total 6 letters are there. So, remaining 5 letters without any restriction. So, it is 5p5. It is equal to 5 ways, 5 factorial ways. Therefore, total number is equal to This is 2 choice and this is 5 factorial ways. So that is equal to 2 into 5 factorial is nothing but 125 into 4 into 3 into 2, that is 240. Okay. Next. A code word is to consist of two distinct English alphabets. Next problem. Let us take black color. Okay. 5. In how many ways 4 mathematics books, maths books, 5 history, 4 chemistry books, and 3 biology can be arranged on a shelf so that all books of the same subjects are together. So that all books of the same subjects are together. Now taking book of particular subject as one unit, there are 4 units and they can be arranged in 4. Here 4 subjects are there: 4 maths, history, chemistry and biology. So let us take maths all books at 1 and chemistry as 1, history as 1 and biology as 1. So therefore there is an arrangement of choices 4p4, that is equal to 4 factorial, that is 24 ways. Now in each arrangement 4 mathematics books can be arranged among themselves in 4 mathematics can be arranged as mathematics arrangement is equal to again 4p4, that is equal to 4 factorial, that is 24. Similarly 5 history book arrangement is 5p5, that is equal to 5 factorial, that is equal to 120. History book arrangement aitu. So next chemistry arrangement is, how many chemistry books are there? 4. Again 4p4, that is 4 factorial is equal to 24. And biology books arrangement is, how many biology books? 3. 3p4, that is 3p3, that is equal to 3 factorial, that is 6. Okay, hence total number of arrangement is, therefore total number of arrangements is equal to 4p4 into 4p4 into 5p4 into 4p4 into 3p3, that is equal to 4 factorial into 4 factorial into 5 factorial into 4 factorial into 3 factorial ways. Okay, this is a way of solving the permutation. Okay, thank you.